Knox, what we doing?
We're shooting fireworks.
Happy New Year's Eve. We're shooting some fireworks, dude. Yeah? What you got here? You got the green bonfire fountain. Don't know what that's gonna do. It's gonna be crazy. We got 50 strip firecrackers. We got the Dream Team fountain. We got the Twitter glitter, the Mighty Max. We got a dinosaur. We got the 10-shot Independence. We got 3 tanks. We got some thunder snaps, some whatever those are, some whistling Dixies, some rockets. We got a diesel devil. We got a color pearl flower. We got a Haley's Comet, a garden inn, some wave makers, a sky lantern, and a pink Barbie thing, jigger, whatever that is, and a unicorn and a poop dog. That's what we got. And we got our big finale. It's a 12-shot something, so we'll figure that out. We're gonna use the drone and the camera, and we're gonna prop some firecrackers. Sound good? Okay, bye.
My name's Knox, and I'm blowing up stuff today.
You heard him. He's gonna blow some stuff up. All right, Knox, get after it.